Hey friends, how you doing? It's Tim Shurr, and I'm so excited about tonight's program that we have. It's coming to you live from Remarkably You and Carla Taylor's Idea Vise. We are going to be doing a special program this evening in Carmel, Indiana, so if you are anywhere around the Indianapolis area, you need to be here this evening. It's from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. at the Urban Chalkboard, and there's going to be so many fun activities to show you how to get ready for Valentine's Day tomorrow, but how to make every day feel more like Valentine's Day. In our relationships, a lot of times, because we're so hectic, because we're so busy, because there's so many priorities, our love of our life often starts to feel like our roommate. And instead of feeling excited about seeing them, it's more like, what are they doing to take us off today, right? So I'm going to show you some powerful strategies for how to bring the spark back into your relationship and how to bring more variety and look at what you can do instead of being frustrated by what your partner isn't doing. And then, of course, my fabulous friend, Lisa Mitchell, is going to be there as well, and she is the body language expert, and she is fantastic, and you're going to love her energy, and she's going to give you some amazing strategies for how to make things feel exciting and passionate as well. So it's from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Click on the link, register, be there, and you're going to have an awesome time. We're going to have wine and chocolate and vision board making and great speakers and great people and a great setting, and it's just going to be loads of fun. So I hope you can make it, and we'll see you this evening, and happy Valentine's Day. Early.